Hello everyone, Beavers here. I have this Firelap IW05 third version lying around broken for quite some time now, so I figured I should fix it and give it another go. I broke a front knuckle by running over this bump in my room. It's not a big bump, and every car runs over it just fine, so either 3D printed parts are very brittle, or I hit the bump at a weird angle. Anyway, I replaced them with front knuckles from the second version. And they are a bit wider than the knuckles for this version, so the dog bones don't quite reach the drive cups. So I'm gonna fix it by extending the drive cups out, and since I'll lock the diff anyway, so I'll just pull them out, wipe the grease out, and glue them back in. I'll also lock the rear diff with small pieces of paper. The screw threads are falling apart when I take the screws out, so I fill them with glue to form a new layer inside. And that's all I have to fix. Now let's see if it is working. It doesn't drift well on stock tires, so I'll round them off. Here I use a plastic drive shaft to make a wheel holder for Dremel. With a bit of filing and sanding, now I have some rounded tires that won't catch on the gap between floor tiles. Well, all in all, it's still not good. Let's just say there are better choices in this price range. This one slides, but it doesn't have much control. Still, it is quite fun to throw the car around. You can improve it by fitting better tires, but don't expect any precision. Well, that's it for today. I know it's a short video, but I don't have much to say about this car except don't buy it, and just leave it at that. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.